assign on which column?
Child column.
Child table.
On parent.
Foreign
Yes,
key
sir.
constraint
Department
is
number.
assign on which column?
On parent table and
Child
department
table
number.
which column?
Department number.
That is nothing but what?
Primary key of the parent
Yeah.
key.
On which column? Very important discussion. On which column? On which column we should assign foreign key constraint. Foreign key constraint. Answer is child table common. Child table, what is that common? Column. Here what is that common column of the child table?
Department number.
Department number. Here you need to assign a constraint called
Foreign key.
foreign key, FK.